Hello everyone, my name is Shivam Tiwari and you're welcome in Optimistic Aspirant YouTube channel. In this session, we will discuss word power made easy English vocabulary with synonyms and antonyms. So, let's start. The first word is innervate. It means to weaken mentally or morally. In Hindi, it is kamjor hona. Synonyms are save, devitalize, and antonyms are strengthen or brace. Example: her illness innervates the whole family. Next word, energy. It means the strength, effort, and enthusiasm required for physical or mental activity or work. Synonyms are drive, potency, power, stamina, or strength. And antonyms is inertia. Example: he expends great energy trying to help them. Next word, synergism. It means talmel, the working together of two things to produce an effect greater than the sum of the individual effect. Example: to depict the synergism of those ingredients, I use the Venn diagram. Next word, castigate. It means to criticize somebody, something, or yourself severely. Synonyms are basil, bowl out, berate, call down, chastise, chive out, or dress down. And antonyms are excuse, pardon, spare, or upload. Example: the judge castigated the lawyers for their lack of preparation. Next word, capitulate. It means samarpan, to agree to do something that you have been refusing to do for a long time. Synonyms are quite, relent, submit, scum, surrender, or yield. And antonyms is resist. Example: the MNC capitulated to the labor union to avoid strike. Next word, abnegate. It means अस्वीकार करना, restrain especially from indulging in some pleasure. Synonyms are abdicate, cede, relinquish, renounce, resign, surrender, or abjure, and antonyms is accept. Example: what emergency things that let persons abnegate their lives. Next word, self abnegation. It means the denial or abasement of oneself. Synonyms are altruism, self discipline, asceticism, self deprivation, and antonyms is self indulgence. Example: should motherhood necessarily mean sacrifice and self abnegation? Next word, negate. It means to stop something from having any effect. Synonyms are contradict, deny, disaffirm, disallow, disavow, or disclaim. And antonyms are acknowledge, admit, allow, avow, concede, confirm, or own. Example: he warned that to negate the results of election would only make things worse. Next word, decapitate. In Hindi, it is sir katna. It means to cut off somebody's head. Many times you have seen video in which many terrorist organizations decapitate innocent person. Synonyms are behead or guillotine or decollate. Example: with one swift movement he decapitated the king. Next word, recapitulate. It means to repeat or give a summary of what has already been said or decided, etc. Synonyms are sum up, summarize, and synopsize, wrap up, repeat, or reprise. Example: at the start of each class, the professor will recapitulate yesterday's lecture. Next word, capitulate. It means to agree to do something that you have been refusing to do for a long time. Synonyms are quiet, relent, submit, scum, surrender, or yield, and antonyms are resist or hold out. Example: I will not capitulate on this deal unless I receive the stock options I have requested. Next word, simulate. It means imitate the appearance or character of. Synonyms are imitate, assume, copy, model, counterfeit. Example: the wood had been painted to simulate stone. Next word, dissimulate. It means conceal or disguise one's thoughts, feeling, or character. Synonyms are pretend, dissemble, or feize. Example, he dissimulated his intentions right up to the moment of the attack. Next word, intimate. It is having a close and friendly relationship. Synonyms are close, familiar, constant, bosom, cherished, or innermost or cozy. Antonyms are distant or aloof. Example, an intimate friendship grew up between them. Next word, alleviate. It is to make something less severe. Synonyms are relieve, ease, palliate, assuage, soothe, mollify, placate, mitigate. And antonyms is aggravate. Example, take an aspirin to alleviate your headache. Next word, elevate. It is raise or lift something to a higher position. Synonyms are elate, enrapture, exhilarate, or intoxicate. And antonyms are degrade or depress. Example, the platform was elevated by means of hydraulic legs. Next word, levitate. It means rise or cause to rise and hover in the air, typically by means of supposed magical powers. Synonyms are hover, glide, or waft. Example, I have the ability to levitate things. So, next word, commiserate. It means sahanubhuti. It means to feel or express sorrow or sympathy for someone. Synonyms are sympathize, condole, and console. Example, until you have walked in his shoes, you cannot commiserate with him. Next word, vacillate. It means to be unable to choose between different courses of action or opinions. Synonyms are deter, waver, hesitate, or oscillate. Antonyms is determine. Example, I vacillated between teaching and journalism. Next word, ambivalence. It means in Hindi it is duvidha. So, the state of having mixed feelings or contradictory ideas about something or someone. Example, it led to a certain ambivalence in their attitudes toward the organized labor movement. Next word. So, here video ends. If you like this video, then please like, share, and if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe Optimistic Aspirant YouTube channel and also join my Telegram channel Optimistic Aspirant from the link given in description. And this is the last second video of this series. After this video, one more video will come and this series completed. So, thank you so much everyone.